Previously on SolarBalls. Billions of years ago, Proto-Earth and Theia crash with each other, leaving the entire solar system in a state of unrest, waiting to see what will emerge from the crash site.
It could still be her. And somehow, somewhere in that little planet, Theia could still... Hey! Wait! Hold on, please! Hey, wait a minute! I just want to check if you're...
Stay away!
Theia! Mars! Watch out!
What is it, Venus?
Whoa! Can you stop moving for 1 second?
Venus! Ahem. We will not hurt you, little one. That one tried to capture me.
Capture you? I just wanted to...
Okay, Venus didn't mean to. Now, where did you come from? Wait, you're... So that means... What? I don't get it. I gotta tell everyone. Where did he go?
You don't remember anything?
Remember what?
Does the name Theia mean anything to you?
Nope.
Oh. Okay.
Wait, what am I supposed to...
Go back to that planet over there and be a moon or something. I don't know.
Hello? Are you also awake? Come on, say something.
Hi.
Did you say something?
Yup. I said hi.
Ah!
I know, I'm huge. No need to panic, little buddy.
You see? I told you, Jupes.
Yeah, I still can't believe it. Oh, hey, Saturn, check this out.
No way! Is this the celestial body that came from the collision?
Yup. Hey, little one, do you have a name?
Well, I guess you could call me Luke. Come on, mates. No one told us it woke up. Come on, everyone. Give the ball of lava some space. But we're in space. Ah! Okay, you've got a point, Pluto. Hey, Venus. What's up with all the commotion?
One of the spheres woke up, but it wasn't Theia.
I mean, no surprises there.
I guess not.
Don't be alone at a time like this, Venus.
Fine. Whoa, what?
I did what you told me, but there's so many of them. Guys, maybe we should take a step back. Oh, yeah, sure thing.
Yeah.
Okay, Mars.
It's awake! Hey, do you want another crash? Step back!
Hey, little one. Why is everyone staring at me? I was kinda hoping you would tell me. Me? Why would I know? I guess because you're my planet and I'm your moon? Ah, if you say so.
How do they know these things? They were just born. Maybe they heard us for all these years. Or
maybe they remember something.
Whoa! Don't scare me like that.
What's your name?
What?
Just tell me whatever comes to mind. Don't think about it. Yes?
Terra?
Wait, what?
Terra means Earth, Venus.
Earth?
Earth! I like the sound of that.
No, come on. You must have some of her left in you.
Hey, back off! Venus, come on! She's gone.
No, I saw both of them. They fused or something. And now
She's gone. Venus. Okay, can someone please explain who we are talking about?
It doesn't matter.
Come on, don't keep me in the dark.
It doesn't matter. You're not Thea, and you'll never. Earth?
Is he okay? I think you broke him.
Me? I just said Thea's name, and he. Thea! Wait,
That's not Thea, Venus! And based on his reaction, repeating her name won't do any good.
But
You're right, Venus. Now come on, we must bring the Earth back.
2, 1, and...
Hey, Venus here. Join Patreon. Buy merch. Buy.
Oh, come on, Venus. Everyone's doing their take.
Why? Most of them want everything for free. They don't care about the people behind the show or how much effort they all put into making it.
Well, I'm sure they do. Come on, give it a try.
Ugh. So, if you want to support, we have this thing called Patreon, where you can get early episodes, learn tons of secrets about the future of the show, and have your name in the credits. Up to you. We also have a store with some merch, because capitalism.
Seriously, Venus?
Oh, like they don't know.
Fine.
And in this store, you can get some cool merch, like plushies based on the characters and other stuff. Here's my plushie, in case you care. Oh, we also have this thing called Solar Cards. It's a trading card game about space that you can play with friends and family, or just do like Mercury and obsess over collecting them all. If that's your thing, then just know it exists. So, yeah, that's the ad. Bye.
Ahem. Thank you for your support, and enjoy the rest of the show!
Hey, what happened? I heard something that made me feel this very scary sensation, and
Relax,
Earth. Everything is okay, right? Venus?
Whatever you say, Mars.
Earth! Hey, what's up, Moon? Don't leave me alone again, please! All right, I won't. We can stay together. Promise? Yes, I promise.
I don't know what to make of this.
Just need to let things run their course, Venus.
But what if she's in there, Mars?
You're not the only one that lost someone. But if we keep holding on to them, we'll never be able to move on. Ha! That was funny. Oh, you're laughing? Move aside, Moon. I got this. Hi-ya! Whoa! Dodge this! No! Look out! You're so bad at this. Oh, you want to play games, huh? Let's play some games. And this is the story of how our Earth and Moon came to be. And despite starting off as a dead world like many others, the Earth would one day become the only planet we know of that can sustain life. But that's a story for another time.
Thanks for watching! Oh, and the next episode is already on Patreon, so watch it a week early by joining. Also, consider checking out our SolarBalls store to get exclusive plushies and solar cards. Bye!